Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to see your followers in Uso. For those who doesn't know, of course, Uso, well, not of course, but just so you know, Uso has a systematic that you can have followers and you can follow other people. How can you look or see that how many followers do you have in your account? Basically, there is like two method, which is connecting to your account in also, and then clicking on top left corner, and from here you can click on view profile, and as you can see, it is the profile from here. You can from here check your followers and your mapping subscriptions and send message. For example, let's say that you don't have, for example, also connect in the game, like you don't have the game itself, but you have the account and you want to check your account followers. What you have to do is basically just go and open any browser and just open also. And as you can see, here it is. Now click on sign in your account, just like so, like that. Let me just put my details, and after doing so, go ahead and click on the top right corner on this icon in here, and from here you can click on profile, and again from here you can look at your followers and mapping subscribers. Of course, you can see other people like your friends, followers and stuff. If you have like friends, for my example this one, I can click on them, and then here I can see their followers. I can remove my follow, I can send a message from here and other stuff as well. So yeah guys, that was the tutorial for today. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thanks for watching.